Hello friends, welcome to EduPanther. Now today we will be solving numericals from the force chapter. So without wasting time, let's start. The moment of a force of 10 Newton is about a fixed point O is 5 Newton meter. So the first question is what? The moment of force is given, that is 5 Newton meter, and the force is what? 10 Newton. Calculate the distance of a point O from the line of action of force. So how to solve this? See, first write down the data. See the moment of force. Moment of force is nothing but, see, this is not 10 Newton. Moment of force is 5 Newton meter. Unit of moment of force is Newton meter. So from there you can identify the moment of force. Now the second is what? Force is given as 10 Newton. And what is asked? Calculate the distance. Now what is the formula? Formula is nothing but simply it is the moment of force is equal to force into perpendicular distance. Force into perpendicular distance. Now what is this perpendicular distance? Suppose you have an object and you are applying force on this point. Let's say this is a point P and the amount of force is F. So this is the axis of rotation. So what will be the perpendicular distance? See, force is this one and the perpendicular distance will be what? You have to extend these rays and just try to draw the lines which is exactly perpendicular to this force. So this is 90 degree now. So the distance will be this one, not this one. See, let's say this is point O, this is point, this point was taken as P, and let's say this is point B. So the moment of force, for that moment of force, you have to multiply this force and the perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance will be what? It will be simply OP, not OB. Okay. Now, so moment of force is given, that is 5 Newton meter. So no need to write the unit. Force is 10 Newton, and let's say distance is D. So the D will be what? It will be 5 upon 10. So D is equal to 0.5 meter. Okay, so it was a very simple question, and the famous formula, that is moment of force, or we can say that the most important formula of the chapter, that is moment of force is equal to force into perpendicular distance. Now move to the next question. Now next question is, a nut is opened by a wrench of length 10 centimeter. If the least force required is 5 Newton, find the moment of force needed to turn the nut. So we have a nut and we want to turn that nut. For that we require a force of 10 Newton and the wrench of the length is what? 10 centimeters. So let's say you have a nut like this and you want to open this. You have a wrench, something like that. See, in exam you know, don't have to draw the diagrams. This length is what? 10 centimeter, and the force applied is what? 5 Newton. So what will be the data? See, first write down the force. Force is nothing but 5 Newton. Then the distance, this perpendicular distance, I am writing it as D, is nothing but 10 centimeter. Now centimeter is the CGS unit for the length, so we have to convert it into meter. So that is 10 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter, or you can write it as 0.1 meter, whatever you want. Now what is asked? Find the moment of force. So here we have to find moment of force. Now formula for moment of force is nothing but moment of force is equal to, that is force into perpendicular distance. So what is force? Force is given as 5 and distance is what? 0.1. So just multiply this 5 into 0.1, you will get the answer. So that is 0.5. Now what will be unit? See, this is the force, and force unit is what? Newton, and distance is SI unit is meter, so Newton meter. So you can write moment of force is equal to 0.5 Newton meter. Okay, so this is the answer. Now the next sum is what? A wheel of diameter 2 meter is shown in the figure, that is this one, with the axle at O. So axle is fixed at a point O. A force of 2 Newton is applied at a point B. So this is point B in the direction as shown in the figure. So calculate the moment of force about the center. About the center, so we have to find out the moment of force in this case. About the center O in first case, and second is what? About the point A, which is exactly opposite to the point B. So we have to find out the moment of force. So first we will write down the data. So force is what? Force is nothing but 2 Newton, that is given in the diagram. Diameter is 2 meter. So definitely its radius will be what? Radius will be simply half of that, that is 1 meter. And now what is radius in this case? It will be OB, or you can say that OA. These are the radius. And diameter, if you talk about the diameter, so it will be simply AB. Okay. Now we are applying force in this direction at a point B. So definitely what will happen? This wheel will start moving in a clockwise direction. This wheel will start moving in a clockwise direction. So how can we find out the moment of force? Again, using the same formula, that moment of force is equal to force into, see, perpendicular distance. See, this is how you can write perpendicular in short. Just this line and ER, perpendicular distance between the force and that point. Now force is what? Force is nothing but 2 Newton. So we are finding for the first case, that is about O. So let's say this is at about O. So that is first part of the question. Now about O, this is 2 Newton. Now so 2 Newton will be, and distance, see, this is my fixed point and this is the point where we are applying the force. So this will be the perpendicular distance, that is the radius will be the perpendicular distance between the, on the force from this point. Okay, so the distance, that is radius is 1 meter. So just multiply this 2 into 1 meter, so that will give you 2 Newton meter. So the first case means what? To rotate that wheel about a point O, we want a force of 2 Newton and the moment of force will be what? 2 Newton meter. Now for the second case. Second case is what? Second case about A. About A. So again using same formula, that is moment of force is equal to force into that perpendicular distance. Into that perpendicular distance. Now force is same. So that is 2. And distance, see, distance of that point from the application of force. So this is the point where we are applying the force and this is the point about which we have to find out the moment of force. So the distance between these two will be what? It will be simply the diameter, and diameter in this case is what? It is 2 meter. So just 2. So multiply 2 into 2, that will give you 4 Newton meter. Okay. Now see. So because when we apply the force on O, when we apply the force at a point, at about O, so what will happen? This wheel will rotate in a clockwise direction because we are applying the force on this side. So this will try to rotate. See, if this is the wheel axis, so when you apply the force on this side, so what will happen? This will start moving in a clockwise direction. So this moment of force will be what? It will be simply clockwise. So for about point A, see, this is the point, this is the lower point, and we are applying the force on the same side. So what will happen? This will again move in a clockwise direction. So in both the cases, that rotation of that wheel is in clockwise direction only. Clockwise direction only. So this was the third questions. So that's it for this session. In next session, we will try to solve the other numericals of the chapter. Thank you.